like Hula Girl Christmas, but we also have a few standards. We're going to do this one now. It's a song composed many years ago. This is a song called Away in a Manger, but we're going to do a different little spin on it. A few decades ago, one of Hawaii's foremost Hawaiian language scholars, Auntie Mary Kopena Pukui, she translated this song into Hawaiian. And you know, when we were doing our research for this song, we discovered that not too many people have performed and recorded actually the Hawaiian version of Away in a Manger. So we're going to feature Mr. Mark Yamanaka on this old Christmas classic with a Hawaiian spin. Hope you guys enjoy our version of Away in a Manger.
Lay down his sweet head. The stars in the sky look down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. Porque kama iki ehi amoi no hoku mai nunamai ya Yesu kaku e moi aiana. The cattle are lowing, the poor baby waits. But little Lord Jesus, no crying he makes. I love him, Lord Jesus, look down from the sky and stay by my cradle till morning is nigh. Okay, Eka haku Yesu,